Hi everybody, it's Gilbert and welcome to This or That. Today I'm going to teach you how to create GIFs and ways on how to implement GIFs in your classroom. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. Today I'm going to show you how to create GIFs, just like the one I created here on the computer. But first I want to talk about how you might use GIFs in the classroom. The first bullet says, illustrate vocabulary words. We know how important it is to teach vocabulary words to students, and one fun way is to have them illustrate vocabulary words by creating a GIF. So this teacher has a vocabulary word she wants students to know. She has them define what the vocabulary word is, but also create a GIF that's going to illustrate what that vocabulary word is, and then explain their GIF here in the second box. What a fun way to illustrate vocabulary words for kids. The next one is demonstrating parts of speech. I could create, or students can also create, multiple GIFs. So if I was going to teach my kids about verbs, I'm not going to tell them they're going to learn about verbs. I want to demonstrate by multiple GIFs on verbs. So I might have a GIF on running, eating, writing, and students are going to have to look at these GIFs and try to determine what are they going to be learning about, what parts of speech is it. The next one is express character emotions. This could be helpful for students to create GIFs on character emotions based on books that they're reading independently, books that you're reading a whole group as a class, or in literature circles. A great part is to have them create a GIF for the character emotion that that character is feeling at that particular moment in the story. Writing prompts. There is another website that I'll share later in the video that's going to show you or teach you how to create writing prompts as a GIF. This is basically uploading pictures, multiple pictures. It could be genre-based, and you can have the kids think of, based on the GIFs, what they're going to write about. And last is how-tos. You can use GIFs for procedural writing, teaching someone how to do something. And lastly, there's so much more. These are just a few things that you can use GIFs in the classroom, but I can tell you this, that there's going to be more ways that you can use it as well. So let's hop into it and let me show you how to create your own GIFs. And so you are able to teach your own students how to create them. So now I'm going to teach you how to create your own GIFs so that you can teach your students how to create their own as well. First, you're going to go to this website called andtheniwaslike.co. And so this is how you are able to create GIFs on this website. Once you press record, it's going to count down from 3 and then start recording, and your GIF is only going to be 3 seconds. So here's the example. This is how it works. It's going to count down, and then I'm going to wave. As you can see, it captured my GIF. The next thing I want to do is save it. So I'm going to click Save. It gives me some options on how to share, but for this case, all I want students to know is to right-click on their video, Save Image As, and here I'm going to rename it as 2. As you can see, it's already saved as a GIF, and click Save. So then if I'm using a Jamboard, so say I'm doing character emotions, I could have the character's name here of the book that we're reading, the main character, and then kids can start uploading what, I can maybe have the character's name, and then in chapter 7, what was the character's emotion. So I would want them to upload their GIF. So how they do that is they're going to go to Add Image, click on Browse, there's test 2, and then their GIF will be uploaded. This GIF can be used in any of the Google platforms such as Slides, Docs, and as well Jamboard. So this is one way that you can create GIFs and how to use them in the classroom. So now I'm going to show you a website on how to make GIFs for writing prompts that only use pictures. So here is the website called gifmaker.me. So here's where you're going to be uploading pictures from your computer. So let me find a picture. And it's just going to upload any pictures that you need for the writing prompts. And then over here is going to create a GIF for them. And it's just, you can pick the size, the animation speed, and then you're going to click Create GIF Animation. And then you can view it to see what it's going to look like. And then you're able to download the GIF as well. So this is another website that you can use to create those GIFs for writing prompts. So here's another website that you can use for your GIF. This website is called unscreen.com. It's going to remove the background of your GIF. This is how it works. So you're going to click on the blue button, Upload Clip. You're going to find your GIF. Mine's on my desktop. It's going to load and remove the background. So then I can use this website to choose backgrounds, or I can upload a background. Going to Image, select File, then on my computer, I could find an image to go to the back. So this is a website called unscreen.com that will remove the video background of your GIF.